Hello everyone, welcome to my 20th video lecture on infinite series. In this video, we shall discuss the summation of an infinite series using one of the standard series, namely the logarithmic series. So, what is meant by the logarithmic series? A series of the form x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power of 4 by 4. In this way, the plus minus signs alternatively. So this alternating series is called as the logarithmic series. So it can be written in a symbolic form as summation minus 1 to the power n minus 1, because the first term is negative and the summation is taken from 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 will account for the alternative positive and negative signs, and the nth term will be x to the power of n divided by n. So this series is called as the logarithmic series, and according to the Taylor series expansion of the function log of 1 plus x, it can be observed that the series of the form x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power of 4 plus minus dot dot dot. So this type of alternating series will be obtained as a result of the Taylor series expansion of the function log of 1 plus x. So therefore, we can conclude here that the given alternating series, which is displayed like this, is a logarithmic series, and its value can be taken as log of 1 plus x, and of course the base is e. So therefore, this is a logarithmic series. And one more thing we have to observe here, that this is an alternating series and it will become convergent. So this alternating series will be convergent if the values of x are lying in between -1 and +1. So this can be very easily tested by using one of the earlier tests of convergence, namely the ratio test can be applied, and by applying that we can conclude that this series is going to be convergent for the values of x between -1 and +1, or equivalently we can write modulus of x less than 1. So for the values of x which are in the interval -1 to 1, the given alternating series, and which is we call here as the logarithmic series, is convergent, and therefore we take the value of this alternating series as log of 1 plus x for every x belonging to the interval -1 to 1. Now we shall see some special cases where this logarithmic series is going to take some particular forms. So first of all, we call it as equation number 1, and when we take x equal to minus x, for x equal to minus x, the same alternating series 1, that is the logarithmic series 1, implies that here minus x, the first term will be minus x, minus sign here it is as it is, this minus x whole square, because we are substituting in place of x minus x. So minus x whole square will be simply x square by 2 as it is. Again here this is plus sign, but minus x whole cube will be minus x cube, therefore the here minus sign is coming over there, minus x cube by 3, and this minus sign as it is, minus x to the power of 4 is again x to the power of 4 by 4. Like this we are going to get a series containing only the negative signs, and an RHS of equation number 1 we are observing here 1 minus log of 1 minus x. 1 minus x, because we are putting x equal to minus x. So this is the result we are getting, and if we transfer minus sign to this side, we are going to get a new series, that is series of positive terms. Of course, x square, that is we are multiplying throughout by minus sign, therefore LHS is totally becoming positive, and on RHS we are going to have minus multiplied by log of 1 minus x. So this positive series of positive terms we are going to get, and this is minus logarithmic series of 1 minus x, and let us take it as equation number 2. Now if we add these equations 1 and 2, that is on adding 1 and 2, that is if we consider equation 1 plus equation 2, what will we get? X plus x, we will get 2x. So let us keep these two outside. X plus x, 2x, 2 has been written here. This is minus, this is equation number 1, we are using this thing. X plus x, 2x we have written, minus x square plus x square by 2 cancelled, plus x cube by 3 plus x cube by 3 is plus 2 times of x cube by 3, minus x to the power of 4 by minus x to the power of 4 by 4 plus x to the power of 4 by 4 cancelled, plus x to the power of 5u by 5u plus x to the power of 5u by 5 is 2 times of x to the power of 5u by 5u. So likewise we will be having all odd powers of x divided by that odd number, and on RHS we will be having log of 1 plus x. The RHS of equation number 1 should be kept as it is. So it is log of 1 plus x. The RHS of equation number 1 we have written, we are considering plus sign, but on RHS of equation 2 we are having minus. Plus of minus is minus. Log of 1 minus x, that is the RHS of equation 2 we have written. Now we can very easily simplify it by using the formula log of m minus log n is log of m by n, that is log of we can write it as 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and at the same time we can transfer this 2 to the right hand side, so it comes to the denominator. So it is 1 by 2 multiplied by the remaining thing, and on LHS it is simply x plus x cube by 3, x plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 5u by 5u plus dot dot dot. So this series is again a series of positive terms having only the odd powers of x, and that value of that series is going to be 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So let us call it as equation number 3, and again we will be using this for our problems. When we solve the problems, that is find the summation of the given given infinite series, we will be using this series as one of the standard formula. And again we can consider equation number 1 with a special value x is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, what happens to equation number 1? So we have seen that equation 1 is a logarithmic series which is having alternatively positive and negative signs. So here 1 comes, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to on RHS log of 1 plus 1, that is log 2. So I can directly write it here, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus plus alternatively like that, and on RHS log of 1 plus 1, that is log 2 to the base e. So this is another result we will be using, call it as equation number 4. Now what happens to equation number 1 when x is taking minus 1? So then equation 1 implies, so here in that case every term will become negative. It is minus 1, it is minus, as it is minus 1 square will be plus 1 by 2. So 1 minus, again here minus sign remains because minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus sign as it is, minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1, this minus again remaining as it is. So every term will be with minus sign. So we will be having a series of the form minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 minus dot 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 on RHS. It will be log of 1 minus 1, it is 0. So log of 0 we will be getting to the base e, and we know that log of 0 is minus infinity. This is one of the standard values we have to remember always, because we know that e to the power of minus infinity is always 0. E to the power of minus infinity is 1 by e to the power of infinity. 1 by infinity, that gives us 0. So therefore e to the power of minus infinity is 0. That implies log of 0 is minus infinity. So by using this definition, we wrote here log 0 to the base e as minus infinity. So therefore this series, which when we take minus sign outside, so minus of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus dot dot dot, and that is equal to minus infinity. And if we multiply both sides by the negative sign, we will be getting, this is simply summation of 1 by n we can write, and its answer is infinity. So this means this series diverges. It is a P series. We have already discussed in second or third video of this series. We have seen that it is a P series with P equal to 1. When a P series with P equal to 1 is always divergent, and we are observing here that the value of this series is becoming infinity. Therefore we can conclude that it is divergent. It is divergent. So this is how we are having so many different forms of the logarithmic series, and we will be using them in order to solve the problems. So let us consider the first example. Here it is asked to find the sum of this alternating series up to infinity. So we have to find the summation of this alternating series. So let us proceed with the solution. So how to write down the given alternating series? It is observable here that we are having just like x by 2, x by 3, x square by 2 it is here, it is x cube by 3 we are having here, and the later term will have 4 in the denominator. So these things are to be retained in the denominator. The remaining thing 1 by 4, 1 by 4 whole square, 1 by 4 whole cube, they all should be taken to the numerator. Therefore the given series can be written as 1 by 4, just like 1 by 4 by 1 I can say, minus sign is there, minus sign, it is 1 by 4 whole square, I can write it in the numerator, divided by 2, this I have retained, plus 1 by 4 whole cube I can write it as 1 by 4 whole cube, divided by this 3 I can write here. And similarly there will be a term with 1 by minus 1 by 4 whole to the power of 4 by 4, like that, with minus sign, and alternatively plus minus, and that is the series I am having over here. And I can compare this with my standard series, that is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power of 4 by 4 dot dot dot. So this is the standard series in my hand with which I can compare the given series, and I can say that in this case the value is the value of x is 1 by 4. Of course 1 by 4 is a number which is in between minus 1 and plus 1, and we have discussed about the logarithmic series in this beginning of this video, that the value of such a series is going to be log of 1 plus x for every x belonging to the interval minus 1 to minus 1 to 1. So we are observing here the same thing. This series is again the logarithmic series with the value of x equal to 1 by 4, and its value is in between minus 1 and plus 1. So therefore the answer, that is the value of this series, is going to be log of 1 plus x, that is, and the value of x here is 1 by 4, we have already written. And now let us substitute the value of x here, that is log of 1 plus 1 by 4, and we know that log of 1 plus 1 by 4 can be simplified and written as LCM. If we take it is 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So log of 5 by 4 is the value of the summation of the given alternating series. So this completes the solution. So easy solution we have seen over here.